Hello guys, welcome to your channel Story Vocab. In this video, you will see the most important animals you must know in English. Animals are often grouped by where they live, how humans use them, or their behavior. Here are some common groups. Group 1. Farm animals. Animals raised on farms, usually for food or work. Pig, chicken, cow, horse, donkey, duck, camel, sheep. Group 2. Domestic animals, animals kept mainly for companionship. Dog, cat, rabbit, hamster, mouse, rat. But wait, before we continue, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to see our next video about vegetables and fruits vocabulary. Group 3. Wild animals means animals that live in nature, not usually with humans. Tiger, giraffe, elephant, gazelle, rhinoceros, gorilla, monkey, bison, fox, ostrich, zebra, cheetah, wolf, hippopotamus, lion, bear. Group 4. Birds. Animals with feathers and wings. Pigeon, eagle, sparrow, owl, parrot, penguin. Group 5. Aquatic animals, animals that live in water. Fish, dolphin, whale, shark, octopus, turtle. Group 6. Reptiles. Cold-blooded animals with scales. Tortoise, crocodile, snake, lizard. Group 7. Insects. Small invertebrate animals with 6 legs and generally 1 or 2 pairs of wings. Ant, bee, butterfly, beetle, spider. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe us and like the video.